Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 4 to power x, this is equal to 30. So what is the value of x? Now let me take you step by step to solve this solution. Now 4 to power x, this is essentially equal to 30. To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So we have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 30. Now, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So, applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 30. So, let's divide both sides by log 4. So that now we will have here x is equal to log 30 divided by log 4. So let's proceed to simplify this. So we have 30 can be expressed as 6 times 5. So substituting this, we'll have x is equal to log 6 times 5 divided by log 4. So log 6 times 5, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have x is equal to log 6 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4. The next step from here, we can express 6 as 2 times 3, and we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So this implies that here we have x is equal to log 2 times 3 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. So log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So let's apply this property so that now here x is equal to, this is log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now here we will have x is equal to, now here we have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2, and this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So let's apply this property. So here x is equal to log 2 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2, then here we'll have log 5 divided by 2 log 2. So essentially here, log 2 and log 2 will simplify so that x is equal to half plus half log 3 divided by log 2, then plus half log 5 divided by log 2. The next step from here, we have that log 3 divided by log 2 and log 5 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this property, then the value of x here can be expressed as half plus a half log 3 to base 2, then plus a half log 5 to base 2. So this is the value of x. So this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So now we can verify here. Now if you recall here, we end that 4 to power x, they should give us a value of 30. So this implies that, let's substitute here the value of x. So this is 4 to power a half plus a half log 3 to base 2, then plus a half log 5 to base 2. They should give us a value of 30. The next step here is to express 4 as 2 to power 2. So essentially here we'll have 2 to power 2 times, now here we have a half plus a half log 3 to base 2, then plus a half log 5 to base 2. Now this is supposed to give us a value of 30. Now let's simplify here. So this 2 and 2 simplifies, so that now we'll have 2 to power 1 plus this 2 and 2 also simplifies, so plus log 3 to base 2, then plus again this 2 and 2 simplifies, so that we'll have plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 30. So let's check if this is true. So here we have 2 to power 1 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here you will have 2 to power 1 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 30. Now you find that 2 to power log 3 to base 2 and 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So this implies that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 3. And also here we have 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. So let's substitute this, so that now here we have 2 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is what we have here as 3. Then times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. We have 5. Then this should give us a value of 30. So this implies that 2 times 3, this is 6. 6 times 5, this is actually equal to 30. And it is clear that the left hand side is essentially equal to the right hand side. And that implies that the value of x, which is a half plus a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Thank you.